Hey everyone, it's your name here. Building credit from scratch can feel like climbing Mount Everest with a toothpick. But here's the good news. Establishing good credit is crucial for your financial future. Think of your credit score like your financial GPA. It tells lenders how responsible you are with money. We're going to break down the top 5 do's and don'ts of building credit from scratch, so you can start off on the right foot. Whether you're just graduating college, starting a new job, or simply realizing you need to take control of your credit, this video is for you. All right, let's dive into our first do, starting with a secured credit card. A secured card is a fantastic way to build credit if you have little to no credit history. You put down a security deposit, which usually becomes your credit limit, and then use the card like any other credit card. Since you're putting down your own money as collateral, it's lower risk for the lender, making it easier to get approved. As you use the card responsibly and make on-time payments, the lender reports your activity to the credit bureaus, which helps build your credit history. Look for a secured card with low fees, and make sure it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Remember, building good credit takes time, but starting with a secured card is a solid first step. Now, let's talk about a major don't: maxing out your credit limit. Maxing out your credit card, even if you pay it off in full every month, can hurt your credit score. It significantly increases your credit utilization ratio, which is how much of your available credit you're using. The golden rule is to keep your credit utilization below 30%. So, with a $1,000 credit limit, keep your balance below $300. The lower your credit utilization, the more financially responsible you appear to lenders. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. All right, let's move on to a crucial do: paying your bills on time, every single time. Think of your payment history as the foundation of your credit score. It accounts for a significant portion of your overall score. Lenders want to see that you're reliable and will consistently meet your financial obligations. Set up automatic payments or calendar reminders to make sure you never miss a due date. If you anticipate a late payment, contact your lender proactively to potentially avoid reporting it to the credit bureaus. Let's talk about a common credit mistake: applying for too many credit cards at once. Every time you apply for credit, the lender pulls your credit report, known as a hard inquiry. Multiple hard inquiries within a short period can send a red flag to lenders. If you're applying for a bunch of credit at once, it might seem like you're desperate for credit. Be strategic and selective about your credit applications. Focus on building your credit slowly and steadily with 1 or 2 cards, and only apply for new credit when you genuinely need it. Last but not least, let's talk about monitoring your credit report regularly. Think of your credit report as your financial report card. Monitoring your credit report allows you to catch any errors or inaccuracies that might be dragging down your score. It also helps you detect potential identity theft early on. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every 12 months. When reviewing your credit report, look out for any unfamiliar accounts, incorrect personal information, or suspicious activity. And there you have it, the 5 essential do's and don'ts for building credit from scratch. Building a strong credit foundation opens doors to better financial opportunities, lower interest rates on loans, easier approval for apartments, and greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, and hit that notification bell. Manage your money, build your wealth, and crush those financial goals. See you in the next video.